Hello everybody, it's the drummer12382 here and welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support you guys have been showing on the recent content I've been releasing recently. I actually do greatly appreciate it. Welcome to Death Stranding. If you guys like this first episode, let me know in the comments, leave a like, I'll play more. This game's 40 hours long, so I have no idea how I'll be spanning out these episodes. I was thinking about streaming this game over on my Twitch, and I thought I would record this at least once or twice and see how you guys like it. If you really do enjoy this series, let me know. I'll probably finish it. I'll try, but we'll see. I am also sick. I've been sick since the 3rd. I said this in the last video. I went to the Doobie Brothers on October 2nd, got back home on the 3rd, was sick on the 4th, was sick on the 5th, and then I'm still kind of relatively sick. I've been coughing a lot, and in fact, I am going to force myself to cough, so I'm not coughing through cutscenes and shit, but it's kind of been shitty. I'm supposed to be going over to James's and write a couple of songs, and we'll see how that goes on about, but let's go ahead and just click A for new game. This game supports autosave, yes. We're going to go easy. Select difficulty. This difficulty can be changed at any time. Yes. We'll go large. Welcome to Death Stranding, everybody. I'm a huge fan of Norman Reedus. I really enjoyed his performance as Daryl in The Walking Dead. I'm really upset that PT never became a thing, but instead he did this. So, PT would have been awesome. I'm going to try not be annoying. It's going to be very hard to hold back coughs and stuff. But I will try my best to not be stupid. I will try and cough during black screens and load screens and stuff like that and not cutscenes. Because who wants to hear that? Fuck you, Netflix. You're ruining my gaming experience. I don't care. Netflix was like, Land of the Lost is now on Netflix. I don't care. I'll make it bright for you guys. Birthday. June 30th. Is this your birthday? Yes. High levels of Doom's abilities have been observed in those born under constellations, such as Cancers, Pisces, Cetus, Delphinus, and Gigas. Higher levels of Dooms. Okay, that's perfect because I'm a Cancer. I don't know what Dooms are, but... Normie boy. Kojima. The rope along with the stick. I'm probably not going to be able to read that fast enough, so I'm not going to read it.
Once there was an explosion, a bang which gave birth to time and space. Once there was an explosion, a bang which set a planet spinning in that space. Once there was an explosion, a bang which gave rise to life as we know it. And then came the next explosion.
Crazy, my computer can run this game. Wow, I can't even tell that's digital.
Don't be so serious. Don't be so serious.
Wow, that looks really good.
Don't be so serious.
OBS is overclocking right now. Hi, Normie boy. The time rain or whatever. Uh-oh. Normie boy's in danger. The birds are just dying. The time rain, bro. The time rain. She just has an umbrella.
No. Oh, great. Fuck.
And we begin. Alright, gimme. Why? Cargo for the smart drug delivery order acquired. Total 2 of 4. Okay. Now, I'm just going to do the main story. RB to scan. The cargo scanner, the Odoractic, can scan for cargo tags. Every piece of cargo has a tag attached. Guess like that one. Can I jump? I can. Nope, stop. Okay, I can carry 120 kilograms. And there's one over there. Okay. Okay. Definitely thought that was death. Okay, can't go that way. I could go around. Here's 3. Can I run? Yeah, LS. Wait, I was able to pick something up. Oh, I can climb. Never mind. Ha! Climb or jump.
We wait out the rain over there.
Okay. Dang, I'm all scarred up. Oh, I'm like turning red. They look like human hands. She looks like Jennifer Lawrence. What does she know that I don't? That's crazy. Make it intense right off the bat. Wow. Those look like humans.
think they're gone. What the hell? Didn't mean to grab you so hard. Tears. A chiral allergy. So, you have dooms, like me.
I've got the extinction factor, but I think you got me beat.
What's your level? You can see them, right?
No, but I can sense them.
Level 2, then.
What are you doing here?
Trying to stay dry. Same as you. Time falls let up. My name is Fragile.
Yeah, I've heard of you.
That right? Sam Porter Bridges. The man who delivers.
What are those? Those are weird. They're like sea bears.
You want it? A crypto buy a day keeps the time fall away. Wanna come work for me? Must be tough out here on your own.
Yeah, I thought Fragile Express had plenty of people.
Plenty of traitors. Not much left of us now, save for a few honest folks. And on top of that, not much left of me either. Got soaked from neck to toe.
I can't help you with that. I make deliveries, that's all.
This is Bridges Central Dispatch. Freelance contractor Sam Porter Bridges. Receiver is standing by for drop.
Headed into town. Watch yourself. Those things never stay gone for long. The
His
time
wife?
fast forwards whatever it touches, but it can't wash everything away. The past just won't let go. I'll see you around. Sam Porter Bridges.
It's weird she teleports. Okay, going into town. Prologue, Porter, deliver one more consignments of smart drugs. The blood stamina gauges, the red are the blood gauges. When it reaches 0, Sam will die. The blue stamina gauges. As the gauge depletes, Sam moves more slowly. Maintaining his balance is harder. Okay. Don't be so serious, low roar. Courtesy of Nuveto Music. How do I... Gotta go this way. Is there like a streamer friendly option? Okay, I guess there's no streamer friendly option for music. Where do I go? Did I just go this way? Just following the trail. Really. Okay, where do I go? Through the water? Can I do that? Endurance gauge. The endurance gauge above is the stamina. When performing actions that wear Sam's body, when the gauge fully depletes, Sam can no longer bear his load. See if I can get across. Fuck the rocks. Holy shit. Okay. Okay. Let's go back to town. This game is a lot of walking. Hopefully I get like a ride. Okay.
Don't be so serious. Don't be so serious.
Making my way downtown, walking fast.
Be so serious. Don't be so serious.
Walk up the stairs.
Don't be so serious. Don't be so
What?
serious.
Where do I answer from? Is there like a map?
Don't be so serious.
Is there a map? Okay. I don't think I'm gonna be able to cross this. Let's see. I might be able to. Oh, this is pretty thick boy. Pretty thick boy water. Oh, is this another package? Whoa, what the fuck? Okay. Left to run. Yes, I know that. Central, not city.
Scan. Cargo verified. Thank you.
Have to fucking run. Walk here. Holding down buttons, X hold down. When you see this X icon, you will need to hold down X. Try holding it down when the delivery terminal responds. Note that you will also need to hold down buttons other than X. Feel free to example as you hold left arrow. You see the icon. Okay, make delivery. Delivery requested cargo. Smart drug delivery. All cargo required to delivery the order can be completed. I have all cargo. I'll confirm. Achievement. It didn't give me what it said.
Delivering cargo.
What took you so long? It's not like the legend to come in late.
Had to wait out the storm. Lost my bike.
Sounds like you've been through the ringer. Luckily, our goods are in perfect condition. Well, you did keep us waiting, but everything else seems to be in perfect order, so great work. We'll be awaiting the next delivery.
Why does she have a handcuff on? Is she doing some kiki shit? Quantity one or more. Cool. Distance traveled. 1,000 meters. Nice. Yeah, I got an S rank. Sick. Thank you. Auto skip. Okay. Miscellaneous delivery volume 3. Okay.
Special commission for Sam Porter Bridges. Priority 1.
Igor, Bridges Corpse Disposal. Sam Porter, I presume? Right. Not the touchy-feely type. Document said you had some kind of phobia.
Bridges corpse disposal? What happened?
Look, gotta get a move on. I'll explain as we go. Come on.
Alright, we're disposing some shit.
Come and take a look. He's got a date with the incinerator.
How long since he flatlined?
We don't know the exact KOD, but I'd say it's been upwards of 40 hours.
He wasn't quarantined.
Not sick. This is a suicide.
Jesus.
We're just lucky we found him at all. Got him on ice ASAP, but who knows when he'll go necro.
Where you taking him?
Closest incinerator's to the north.
This route's crawling with PTs. Sure you can't use another?
I wish I could, but there's no time.
Then just burn the poor bastard right here.
We put all that chiralium in the air so close to town? Can't do it.
Better that than trying for the incinerator.
Hey, we can do this. We just need someone like you with dooms.
I don't know what dooms are.
Well, he's already in the first stages of necrosis. If we don't hurry, this place is a crater.
So how about it? Can we count on you? Then Bridges hereby enters into a contract with Sam Porter.
Sam. Just Sam. And I can't spot BTs. Just sense them.
That's why we came prepared.
A bridge baby, huh?
If it's helping you, we'll be able to stay one step ahead of them.
weird.
Makes me feel like shit every time.
Well, you are plugging into the other side. Freaks me out too.
Roll out.
Alright, we gotta burn this man's body.
You know, the world was different when I was a kid. America was a country. Anybody could go anywhere they damn well pleased. No need for couriers like yourself. We had highways, airplanes. Hell, you could even visit other countries.
So is this like recent time?
Hard to imagine it now. As you can see, the Death Stranding poked us full of holes. Fucked us beyond all recognition. And if you were lucky enough to survive, the timefall came and washed you away. Then those freaks from the beach showed up. Worlds of the living and the dead all mixed together. And that's when folks started holing up into cities. Couriers like yourself got put up on a pedestal.
Oh, I can move around the whole... I didn't know that. The whole cutscene.
Son of a bitch. Rainbow!
How much further to the incinerator? This guy's about to pop.
Shit. We're gonna have to cut to the BTs.
Through the fog.
The engine stalled.
Those assholes got us right where they want us. Get us out of here.
Sam, can you see anything?
No, nothing.
Oh yeah, this guy's gonna
BB must be buzzers.
explode. What's that? Is it being like exercised? Oh wow, we're right under the rainbow. What's happening? Black goop is getting higher. Oh my god. Wow, is that blood? It's a lot of red. that gold? So this is just normal rain?
Shit, they're here. I can't get you out!
Okay, no, it's the time rain.
Sam!
Dude, of course you can't get him out. He's crushed. That's crazy. I popped the cough drop, by the way. Holy shit. Why is it like glittery red? It doesn't make sense to me. Oh man, we don't get to see him eaten. That's what happened. I wonder what happens when they get taken. Babies are weird. A normal 9mm is not gonna shoot those things. He tried. Wow. That's crazy. Is that one big human? Wow. Holy shit. Normie boy. Weird. Might have to do some blurring. Gross. It's like that episode of Salad Fingers where it's like he gives birth to the sandwich, and it's like black like that. YouTube, don't flag me for normie boy. It's just normie boy. Don't flag me. It's just normie boy. It's a video game, but it's not real. Two intro sequences.
Falling down, London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
This is weird. This is like one big psychedelic trip. My God. Oh, I can move around? Repatriation. Sam is repatriated, meaning that he can return to life from the place unknown, as the seam when killed. And the seam follow the strand to guide Sam's soul back to his body. Like this. Gross. Oh, is that a womb or his throat? That's gross.
BB? BB? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Steady.
Holy shit. That's a crater.
Once there was an explosion. A bang which gave rise to life as we know it. And then came the next explosion. explosion. That will be our last.
A third intro sequence. Imagine there's a third intro sequence. That'd be hilarious. I had to pop a cough drop in. I just had to. Fucking, my throat felt like it's being ripped apart. It's not a sore throat. I don't have a sore throat. Just that I'm just coughing relentlessly. It's not like when I talk, it hurts. So that's what classifies as a sore throat. Just that I'm coughing a lot. Resume. Normie boy, they're handcuffs. Bridget.
Oh, you're awake. So, how does it feel to be back in the world of the living? Don't worry. I'm a doctor. Well, a coroner, originally. Call me Dead Man. I'm well acquainted with the dead. Not like you, of course. Contrary to the name, I've never actually died. I would advise against that. I'm no expert, but I can assure you it's for your own protection. See?
So I'm a prisoner.
These aren't handcuffs. They're cutting-edge devices that keep us all connected.
Us? Oh, us.
Yup. Bridges. Humanity's best hope for the future. Or avoiding extinction, if you prefer.
Right. Where am I? What time is it?
Sponsor.
Watch me. Try pressing it against your skin, like this. Relax. That just means your body's got a good connection to the cufflink. Look, look. The cuffs will watch over you 24 hours a day. That is to say, we will. We're here to help.
What the hell? 2 days.
During that time, we took the liberty of collecting fluid samples from you. You're a repatriate. That makes you very special.
What happened to the CD guys?
Central Knot was obliterated in the Annihilation. Game over, man. Place is a crater. The only ones to get to continue were you, for obvious reasons, and your broken bridge baby.
Is it all right?
It's been marked for disposal. Didn't work anymore. Why keep it? We lost everyone. Not just corpse disposal. My team, HQ, all of Redford, every soul in Central Knot City. We're at our base, in Capital Knot City now. Or should I say, our new headquarters. Sudbury seemed the logical choice. But our implementation team has been decimated. And there's only so much they can do in 2 days.
How are there still
Things
monsters?
here are a mess.
How's the world gone to shit but there are monster
The
cans?
director and his support team were out of town at the time, so the chain of command remains intact.
Like they're intact monster cans. Brand
I hate
new.
to do this so soon, but I have a job for you. This stencil is from when you repatriated? What's the other mark from?
A clingy woman in a cave.
I see. Aphenphosmphobia. No wonder you were out there alone, where no one could touch you. I'll try to be more careful, Sam. So, the job is an urgent delivery. I need you to bring the president some morphine.
What president? America's gone. You talking about the mayor of Central Knot?
No, not the mayor. America lives on, Sam. The president is in the final stages of cancer, in critical condition, but there's still time.
Why me?
Look, Sam. Do as I ask, and I promise it will all make sense.
Why don't you do it?
Because I'm not really here. Apologies. This is just a chirogram. And here, come the tears. Allergic reaction to the chiral transmission. I'm actually over in the isolation ward in the big triangle building.
It looks like a
Here
penis.
is the morphine. Bridges hereby enters into a contract with Sam Porter.
Come on. You got morphine there. What's this about? Tell me the truth.
The truth, Sam, is that America's last president wants to see you in person. Are you really about to say no? Very good. I'll see you in the isolation ward.
A fourth intro screen.
Beginning scan. Scanning bridges.
All right, everybody.
Verifying ID.
I gotta. That's not the pause menu.
All clear. Welcome, Sam Porter Bridges.
What's the pause menu? Hello. Oh, that's me saying hello. All right. Where's the pause menu?
Request transport of morphine to isolation ward for immediate administration.
Do I have to do this? I might have to do this. I really don't want to. That's the camera mode. What is this? What if I leave the building? I don't want to make this episode too long. It's over here. Got a package. Oh, it's the morphine. Okay, let's leave.
Beginning scan. Have a pleasant journey.
Check the
Kodak.
map on your cufflinks if you're lost, Sam. The isolation word should be pretty obvious. If you're not sure how to get there, you can set markers and draw routes too. Try it out and you'll see what I mean.
Okay. Start menu. And then their place marker. Okay. It's that building over there. Okay, I'll make my way over there. I was gonna end the video, but considering I have to do this.
Sam, if you want to confirm you're headed the right way, check your compass. It'll never steer you wrong.
Provided you have a destination, that is.
Where's my compass? Cargo. System. Save or load. Oh, okay. Here's the menu. Okay, looks like I'm going to end the video now. So, without any further ado, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I truly do greatly appreciate it. If you guys are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please leave a like. And as always, I'll see you guys here tomorrow. Bye, guys.